If you're new to exercise and want a simple way to get moving, this video is for you. You don't need equipment or a gym to build strength and improve fitness. In this video, you'll learn 5 beginner-friendly exercises you can do at home. They're simple, safe, and suitable for all ages. Let's get started. The first exercise is wall push-ups. They're a great way to build upper body strength without putting stress on your joints. Stand facing a wall and place your hands at chest height. Lower your chest toward the wall, then push back to the starting position. Next are squats. Squats strengthen your legs and help improve balance and mobility. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower yourself as if you're sitting back into a chair, then stand back up. The third exercise is glute bridges. This movement strengthens your glutes and supports your lower back. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeeze your glutes, then slowly lower back down. Next is the plank. Planks are one of the best exercises for building core strength and improving posture. Place your forearms on the floor and keep your body in a straight line. Engage your core and breathe steadily throughout the hold. The final exercise is marching in place. This is a simple movement that improves coordination and keeps your body active. Stand tall and lift one knee at a time in a controlled motion. Move at a comfortable pace and keep your core engaged. You can perform each exercise for 20 to 30 seconds. Rest briefly between movements and repeat the circuit 1 to 2 times. Focus on good form rather than speed. As you get stronger, you can slowly increase your time or repetitions. These 5 exercises are a great way to build strength at home without equipment. They're perfect for beginners and anyone looking to stay active. If you found this video helpful, check out our shorts for quick fitness tips. Subscribe to SimpleFit Daily for beginner-friendly workouts and healthy habits you can stick to.